Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to unbox the KUKA KMP 3000P. The first step in unboxing the 3000P is there are 12 8mm screws that we need to untie with a power tool. Once all screws are out of the box, you would need the help of somebody else to lift the top plate out of the box. The 3000P comes with 3 straps that straps somewhat to the AMR. We would need to untie them. There is a handle right here that you click down and you raise up to make it loose. Then you would need to remove the straps completely from the AMR's way. Once the 3 straps are removed, there are wooden pieces that tie the AMR down into the pallet that you would need to remove with the same 8mm socket and power gun. Once all pieces of wood are taken out, you can go and remove the plastic piece that covers the AMR. The next step of the process is to get 4 eyeballs and 2 long straps. That way you can get a forklift and lift the AMR off the pallet. The eyeballs can either go in the side of the AMR or on the top of the AMR, and you can tell which areas they go into with this symbol right here. Once you have the AMR strapped up, you need to call for a forklift driver to help lift the AMR off the pallet. All right, once we have a forklift, we can go ahead and feed the straps to the forks. And we do that slowly. We raise it up slowly and we put it on the ground slowly as well. The last step of the process is to take the eyeballs off the AMR right now. There is some protective foam that covers the bumper. You can go ahead and remove those as well. With that being said, your KMP 3000P is ready to be turned on and ready to be used.
Industrial intelligence.